here, and I'm coming to you guys with another unboxing video. I got contacted by the company named Jewmara. Definitely put their links and pictures up here. They're basically a ring company. They sell engagement rings, bridal set rings, woman bands, and for gentlemen too. So you can get one for you, for your hubby, for you and your boyfriend, for you and your girlfriend, for you and your mom, your best friend, or even just for you if you want to. So I picked out a I don't know if it was an engagement band. I don't know. I'll put it somewhere, a picture of what I picked out. And yeah, so I believe it was like an engagement type thing. So it comes with a ring and another like the band. So I will definitely be putting the link and pictures, all that good stuff on the bottom and up here if I can. And for my MAiNZz, they do have a buy one get one free going on their site, so definitely check it out. I will link it below. So let's unbox this baby because I'm too excited. I want to see what it looks like. And it's also I want to see if I put it somewhere here. I think there's sterling silver stones, so that's like, this is the cutest box ever. Alright, so it came very well secured. Alright, I'm gonna need my scissors. I'm so excited. Alright, so I'm gonna push it out of here. Such a nice box. I love that. That is so cute. I love the color. Kind of goes with my lips. Alright, so I'm gonna open it with you guys. Ready? I hope I don't have it upside down. I do. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so, oh my god. You guys, don't take it out. Take it out. I gotta try it on. This is, oh my god, they had to like custom make this, so that is beautiful. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see. I'm gonna definitely add some pictures. Oh, it's my beautiful ring. Oh my gosh, look at this beauty. Like, I know y'all see that sparkle. I'm definitely gonna have to take a picture. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Jewmara. This company, oh my gosh. OMG. Like, y'all need to go check them out. And they have other beautiful pieces. Like, I'm going to post pictures. Oh my gosh. So, if I post a picture of this on my Instagram, put a whole bunch of ring emojis, so I know you watched this video. I have nothing bad to say. Like, this box is cute. My rings are gorgeous. Like, what? What? Who are you talking to? No, I'm just kidding. This is gorgeous. Oh my god. OMG. My hands are dirty, but like, it's not doing justice. I'm gonna have to record these separately. But thank you so much, Jewmara, for reaching out, sending me these. I mean, I'm going to rock them or wear them, and you know, definitely not gonna shower with them. So, I mean, thank you. And go check them out. This is beautiful, a beautiful gift. I love it. And the bands they have, if you wanna surprise your girl, your man, your mother, your sister. Below, check them out.